Hello friends, and welcome to another video of Let's Take Food, which is your dose into the world of processed food. Now when I started this channel, I told you guys that I'll be reviewing new food product launches, but I haven't done them too often. And therefore today I have decided to outsource this to my friend in India. So let's see what he has brought for us today.
Today, we will be evaluating a newly launched product, almond and coconut beverage from So Good brand. It's from Mumbai-based company Life Health Foods. So let's get started. Firstly, we will be evaluating what is written on the label of the product. As you can see, the first thing written on the label is no added sugar. And on the ingredient part also, there is no sugar alternative or sugar is written. So this is okay. Other thing that is good, and they had not written a word milk on the product. So this keeps them good with respect to regulatory requirement also. If you have seen the previous videos where we have clearly differentiated between plant-based products and mammary secreted products. Regulatory requirements never allow any product that does not have any mammary secretion to write milk on that. So I think this is good part in that. As you all know, plant-based products lack in vitamin B and calcium part. So they have added vitamin premix and vitamin mineral premix. So that is okay. Other thing I want to highlight about this product is it contains about 2.3% almonds, and I think this is on the lower side. In order to have like what we say required protein content that is required in order to compare to some dairy product, it should have at least 6 to 7% almonds. Other thing is they have added what we say coconut cream in this, that is around 0.9%. Mostly people add coconut in order to enhance the mouthfeel or to give richness in the product. The one thing that I liked about the packaging is that they have given nutritional composition in description by mentioning about the percentage of RDA, etc. So this gives consumers a clear picture about the product. If you have seen my previous videos in which I had compared different types of oils, in that they have not given a detailed description about the composition of the oils, and there are some false claims. So that is misleading to the consumers. In this product, they had used several additives in order to enhance the mouthfeel, characteristic properties, increasing viscosity of the product. Some of these ingredients, if you have seen like INS number, the one is lecithin, that is in order to prevent fat separation. Second is Keelan gum, like that provides stabilization and viscosity in the product. Third is what we say acidity regulator. These are the salts. So that is the requirement in order to have the stability in the product. Now I will be telling you about the claims that is written on the label. If you can see here, it is written high source of calcium. This is wrong as per the regulatory requirement. As per the regulatory requirement, a product can be a source of calcium or high in calcium. There is nothing but like high source of calcium. So this is wrong as per regulatory requirement. The other thing that is written here is gluten and lactose free for your well-being. As you all know, both gluten and lactose are allergens and are harmful for people who are having allergy from these, but not for all. So this term that is written in is deceptive. Price of this product is rupees 70. And if you compare like both these products, one is Amul toned milk and other is So Good almond and coconut based beverages. This product is priced at 14 rupees and this product is priced at 5 times, that is of 40, it's 70 rupees. So there is much difference. In the sheet, the manufacturing cost of both these products is similar. So I don't know why there is a difference, what we say selling price is 5 times high. In order to make customer accept this product, it should have to be much economical and much value for money for the customers. So now, in order to better evaluate this product, I will be doing some sensory analysis, and also I will be making tea from this almond and coconut based beverages and then analyze whether it is good in all aspects or not. So let's do that. Let's see the texture of this and flowability of this. I think this is looking little watery. Firstly, let's do the sensory. It has a very bland taste and little bit nutty and what we say rocky like feel. This may be due to high amount of minerals that is used in the product. Also, this has little bit about what we say fatty mouthfeel. So maybe coconut is contributing in it. But I think the taste is okay and anyone can consume like 200 ml of this milk. So it is taste wise it is okay, but it's little watery. Now let's make tea out of it. I have like made pre-mix ready for this. You can see like I have added all the major ingredients that we use in the tea, that is cardamom, clove, ginger, etc. Now it's time to add almond and coconut based beverage in this, and let's see what happens, whether this curdles or not. As you can see, the tea is now ready, and I think it has having the desired color and flavor in this. So let's do the sensory part. As you can see, the color is similar to that of regular tea with milk. Now let's do the sensory and see what is the taste profile. And the taste is good, but little different. It has like all the flavors, maybe of cardamom or clove or ginger that we have added in this, but it is lacking what we say in the spreadability or mouthfeel. This may be due to lack of fat content, because the product that we have tried has around 1% fat, but in normal dairy milk it has around 3% fat. So I think that is on the negative side. But yeah, taste is good, and definitely I will tell you, try this one time and you will really like this.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you are well and you're following the social distancing norms wherever you are. If you like this video, do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And in comments, let me know what topics you would like me to cover in the next video. So see you in the next one.